Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. So as you can tell, I'm in our van conversion and I'm finishing up the toilet relocation project. And every now and then on the channel I like to showcase products that I find that I believe actually work pretty well. So I was looking for a solution here for some kind of catch to hold this door shut. And as you know, when you're doing a van build, obviously any kind of drawer or cabinet, you need some kind of way to secure it. That way when you go around corners, they don't come flying open. We're using mostly magnetic catches and some roller catches like this right here. So make sure that it holds it shut. So the problem I'm having in here is there's nowhere to really put a magnet like this style, because this all slides out. So it just left this one little magnet and it's not gonna do. So what I decided was to try something by just going online, doing a little research, and I got these on Amazon. They're these little magnetic catches, and for the size, they seem to be pretty strong. So I'm gonna try them out and show you how they work, and maybe it'll help you. So it goes without saying, I don't accept sponsorships on this channel, so I did buy these with my own money, and no one approached me or anything, so just get that out of the way. I just like to share this stuff when I find it because it might help you out. Alright, so you can decide where you want a magnet. I figure I have a lot of options, kind of like right here, but I'm going to start with like one at the top, one at the bottom, and go from there. Alright, so it does have a double-sided stick tape that comes with it, and I'm not going to use that as the solo way to attach these. I'll just kind of use it to hold them in place, although it does seem like it would work pretty good. So the first one's there. Make sure the door covers it. It does. So how I position the next one, put the stick tape on the side, goes against the door. We'll stick that to it. Push. Alright, so it is important that you put them on the right way. So you can see it needs to look like this facing out. If it looks like this, that's not correct. It will not hold. It needs to look like that. Alright, I'm going to use the little included screws here. And do the same thing on the door. Just make sure you obviously have the clearance behind the screw. So it holds good. I think I'll just put two more, one in the middle and one at the bottom. It'll hold really good. Now I'm being realistic. I mean, you can see how small this is. You can see how small this is. I don't know if this is a rare earth magnet or what, but it is very strong for this size. Now you could also get some kind of magnet where you would drill a small recess and then glue it in place. That would also work. But so far, I think with three of these, I mean, there's nothing pushing against it. It's just, you know, gravity. We want to hold it shut. Alright, so I just went ahead and used all four that I got in the kit, just to be sure that it'd be strong enough. Again, I probably wouldn't use these for like up in an upper cabinet like this. We used something a little bit stronger because we had the room. But for spaces where you very little clearance, just wanted to give you an option. So it's not so much that I can't just grab it and open it, but I also know it's not going to just fly open when I stop when we're going down the road. So again, I wouldn't put anything behind it that is going to push, but for the application, this works perfect. So for those of you who didn't see the other video, this is just kind of a redesign on the toilet situation, because we did have it in the shower, the Thetford cassette toilet, and then I put it in here. So how this works So there's like 2 stages. The first stage is you pull this thing out like this. And so as you can see, this lid comes up right here, like that. Now you can either use the toilet like this, or if you want more space. The point of this is at night, this is a step. Probably put a little piece of carpet on the top here. So at night, this is a step, and to get in and out of bed, which is important. But once you get out of bed, you can also use the toilet real quick. And then in the daytime, you could have this put away like this. When you need to use the toilet, you just pull this section out. Like so. So the toilet's out here by itself then. Or if you want to get the toilet way out into the room, you can pull both sections out. So if you want both sections out, pull that one out first. Second. And then there's boards screwed behind there that keep it from going in too far or coming out too far. So now the toilet is pretty far out. You have a lot more room to use it. When you're done, just slide that in there. And this whole thing slides back in here. These pins lock into the floor, which secures the whole thing for driving. Then the magnets just hold the door shut. Alright, so that's a wrap on that short little video. Hopefully it was helpful. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more. Leave a comment if you have any questions. As always, appreciate you watching, and until next time, we'll see you later.